Today, we're going to build a complete banking app using just one command with Gemini CLI. No manual setup, no boilerplate, nothing if you're a developer. This is going to save your hours of work. So let's get started. First, open your command prompt or terminal and install Gemini CLI by running npm install-g google@Gemini. This will download and install the tool globally on your system, so you can use it from anywhere. Once the installation is complete, let's quickly verify it by running Gemini version. If it shows a version number, that means everything is set up correctly and we're good to go. Now let's create our project. Simply create a new folder and name it Banking App. After that, open Visual Studio Code and open this folder inside it. This is where all our project files will live. Once the folder is open, go ahead and open the terminal inside Visual Studio Code. Now here comes the interesting part. Run the Gemini command to initialize the environment. It will start setting things up for you automatically. During this process, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. So just complete the authentication. This step is important because Gemini needs access to generate and manage your project. Once everything is initialized, we can now give Gemini a prompt. And this is where the magic happens. Type, create a banking app using React, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS. Hit enter, and now sit back and watch. Gemini will start generating the entire application for you, including the structure, components, and styling. This process can take a few minutes depending on your system. So I'm going to speed up this part of the video. And just like that, our banking app is ready. This is honestly insane. You can now explore the project, check out the UI, go through the code, and even modify it according to your needs. Whether you want to add authentication, connect a backend, or improve the design, everything is already structured for you to build on top of it. This is the power of AI-assisted development. Faster builds, less setup, and more focus on actual features. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your developer friends so they don't miss out on tools like this. And let me know in the comments what you want me to build next using AI. See you in the next one.